if you see the placements, highest package is 36 lakhs per annum.
And our goal is not enough.
Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. This is the 7th episode of College Review series. In last 6 episodes, I have given college reviews of various NITs like NIT Trichy, NIT Surathkal, NIT Rourkela, NIT Warangal, NIT Calicut, VNIT Nagpur. Those who didn't watch them, I will upload the links in the iTab. Please go and watch and give a big thumbs up to them. Coming to this video, in this video I am going to give you the college review of MNNIT Allahabad, Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad. Okay, same like previous episodes, in this episode also, first part will be the campus tour, in the second part, details regarding the campus which includes fee structure, placements and hostels, infrastructure and hangout places inside and outside the campus. Everything regarding the campus will be shown in the second part. Without taking much time, let's get into the presentation. Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, 211004, established in the year 1961. If you see the rankings of MNNIT Allahabad, it has ranked 48 according to the NIRF 2020. If you see the connectivity, modes of transportation to MNNIT Allahabad, nearest railway station is 8 kilometers from the campus, which is Allahabad Junction Railway Station, and nearest bus stand is Allahabad Bus Stand, 8.3 kilometers. Nearest airport is Prayagraj Airport, 18.5 kilometers. Modes of admissions, JEE Mains followed by JOSA and CSAP counseling. Courses offered by MNNIT Allahabad are Biotechnology, Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Production and Industrial Engineering. If you see the seat matrix of MNNIT Allahabad, total number of seats is 935. Here I mentioned home state and other state wise, gender neutral and female only, branch wise seat matrix. You can pause the video and then check it once. Coming to cutoffs, here I mentioned gender neutral, female only, home state and other state cutoffs. If you want category wise cutoffs, I will leave the link in the description. You can go and watch according to your category and according to the branch also. Coming to fee structure of MNNIT Allahabad, total fees is 81,500 institution fee and plus 12,000 hostel fees and plus 15,000 mess fees. MNNIT Allahabad also provides you scholarships, 100% tuition fee waiver for SC, ST and PH students, and full remission of tuition fee for general and OBC students whose family income is less than 1 lakh per annum. For the students in general category and OBC students whose family is income between 1 lakh to 5 lakhs will get a 2/3 of fee as a remission. And if you see the placements, highest package is 36 lakhs per annum, average package is 9 lakhs per annum, number of companies visited is 285, 91% of students placed, CSE is 100%, and internships are provided. Amazon, Cisco, Oracle, Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, DirectT, IBM, Flipkart, Paytm are the major recruiters. Coming to the season wise, number of students placed and number of students graduated. on the left side you can see in 2016 and 17 number of students graduated of 809. Out of that 618 students are placed. And coming to 2017 and 18, 8112 students are graduated and 656 students are placed. And coming to 2018 and 19, 832 students are graduated, 671 students are placed. If you see the number of students placed in the last 3 seasons, it is increasing gradually. And here is a graphical representation for the above given data. And the percentage of placements year wise, if you can see 2016 and 17, 76.39, 2017 and 18, 80.79, 2018 and 19, 80.65. And here also I mentioned each and everything according to the branch wise eligible candidates placed, job offers, percentage of placements, average CTC and max CTC in lakhs. Then coming to infrastructure of MNNIT Allahabad, spread across 222 acres. Class, library, labs are spacious and well maintained, almost fully air conditioned campus. Lecture hall complex is also good, and each department have their own buildings. Central library with 1 lakh books, and the computer center is 24/7 open, and the research center CIR, Wi-Fi enabled campus with okay speed, means we can't expect a very high speed of Wi-Fi in the campus. And cricket, football, badminton, table tennis, gym, etc. And medical center is also available. Bank, ATM, post office facilities is also inside the campus. And if you talk about the hostels, 7 boys hostels which has 1800 capacity, 2 girls hostels with 145 capacity, single or triple sharing rooms, common washrooms cleaned daily, and air cooler is for girls only. Washing machine available for girls only. Boys have laundry service, and internet facility is good. Computer rooms in first year hostel, and common room with an LED TV, carom, chess, table tennis. Books and stationery shops available. All night canteens are for boys only. Mess food is not that great. And hangout places in the campus: jungle canteen, athletic ground, CDC, MP hall, stairs, GS classrooms. And coming to canteens in the campus are Bikanarwala and Amul. Coming to hangout places outside the campus: civil lines, Ganj Market, Fafamau Hall, unused bridge for morning walks, Barcode, which is a gaming center, PVR movies, Galaxy Cinemas, KFC, BBQs, CCD, McDonald's and Subway, Sangam Kushrobag, museums nearby. And coming to fests, MNNIT Allahabad conducts 2 fests: annual cultural fest which is called Kalrao, and annual technical fest which is Avishkar. And even students can also have a facility of clubs: dance, dramatic, photography, robotics, sports, and some other clubs are also there where students can excel in that cultural activities though. And the faculty are good. Attendance rule is 75%, which is required for a student to attend for end semester exams, and curfew timing is 8:30 p.m. in the evening. I hope every one of you like the presentation. If you find this as a type of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Want to know more college reviews? Stick around, I will give you more. For that you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video with another genuine review of another college. Until then, take care, bye bye.